trunk, let out its sound. Stamp your feet and shake the ground. Left foot up, then right one too. Move like elephants always do. Stomp, stomp, just like me. Big and strong as can be. Swing your trunk, swish your tail. March along the jungle trail. Roll it down, take a rest. Elephants need sleep to be their best. Breathe in deep, let it out. Then stomp again and dance about.